Hi everyone, welcome back again. Today I'm going to share a very easy instant lunchbox recipe that's spicy masala rice, also known as mirchikechawal. That's made with the day old leftover rice with just 2 to 3 ingredients, making it super quick, flavorful and delicious. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. For making mirchikechawal, all you need is a leftover rice, that's a day old rice. Here I have taken around 2 cups and some spice mix. Now this spice mix includes a teaspoon of cumin powder, that's zira powder, and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, that's lal mirch powder. You may adjust according to your taste or use Kashmiri chili instead. Then a pinch of asafoetida, that's hing, and masala mix is ready now. Now let's proceed in preparing spicy masala rice. For that, keep flame on low and heat up a pan. To this, add a tablespoon of ghee, that's clarified butter. Then for tempering, gonna splatter a teaspoon of cumin seeds, that's zira. Allow it to crackle. Now, once it crackles, add the spice mix and stir for a few seconds. Ensure the flame needs to be very low, otherwise spices will burn. Once they are roasted for a few seconds, to this we're gonna add the leftover rice now. So add in the leftover rice to the masala and mix it well. It's a super quick dish which you may instantly make and carry for lunch or have it at home for lunch or for dinner. It's spicy, flavorful masala rice, and if you are a spice food lover like me, I'm sure you'll absolutely enjoy it. The flame is still on low and giving a good mix, ensuring all the masalas are coated with the rice. It's mixed well. At this stage, check the seasoning and add salt only if required. Give a mix again, and then we're gonna cover and cook this for around 2 minutes. Hope you're liking this video. Then do give a thumbs up, like, share among your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting notified. Now just cover and cook the rice for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, we can see an instant masala rice or mirchikechawal is absolutely ready. Do try this spicy recipe and I'm sure you'll love it. Just adjust the spice level according to your taste. As a side dish, a pickle and a papad is enough. Hope you like this instant recipe. Then do share, like and subscribe. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.